Hey guys, this is Mark Ebinger with Essential Oil Television. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Young Living's Essential Oil Infused PowerGize supplement. This is one of my favorites that I take on a regular basis. So I'm going to give you just a quick overview of kind of what it is, what's in it, and why, some good reasons that we should be using it on a regular basis. Real quick, if you're watching this on Facebook, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, maybe ask some questions or comment below on what you think of the video or if you have any questions. And if you're watching it on YouTube, be sure to like the video if you like it, and then subscribe to the channel and click that little bell so you don't miss any of the notifications. Whenever we post a video, you'll get a notification that we've got a new one that's up that you might want to check out. All right, so Young Living's PowerGize was formulated for men originally, but it's good for women as well who are maybe looking for a little bit more energy, stamina, um, maybe a little help with the balancing natural or healthy testosterone levels in the body. It has a couple of exotic herbal ingredients we'll talk about real quick. And it has 3 essential oils that are infused in it as well. All right. So a couple of the important, really exotic herbal ingredients that are important in Ayurvedic medicine is the long jack root powder and the tribulus fruit leaf extract. Now, the long jack root powder supports healthy testosterone levels in both men and women. This is really important. This would be, for those of us that are looking for that, this is a good reason to take this particular supplement. Now, the tribulus fruit leaf extract, now this is a very, very powerful antioxidant, and it really helps support the immune system. So a couple of key notes on those exotic herbal ingredients. Now, the essential oils that are infused into this particular supplement are also really, really important. Idaho blue spruce, goldenrod, and cassia. Now, I would encourage you to do a little bit of research on this, Idaho blue spruce, goldenrod, and cassia and what they can do for the body as well. This particular supplement, PowerGize, is very, very good source of vitamin B6 as well. It has 600% of the recommended daily allowance of that particular vitamin B6. So some good reasons to take this particular supplement. It supports stamina, performance, mental and physical vibrancy, and strength. It can help maintain healthy and natural balance out energy levels. It can help support the male reproductive system, which is huge. It helps relax the body and mind. It helps with mental clarity, concentration, and alertness. It helps the body respond to stress, overwork, and fatigue. A lot of us can relate to that. And then accelerates recovery after exercise. So those of us who are working out on a regular basis, this is a really good supplement to add to our regimen. So the best way to get PowerGize is to buy it on your Essential Rewards order every month. If you're a Young Living customer already, if you're a member, use your Essential Rewards account to purchase your supplements and your essential oils because you earn points back, and you have access to free promotional products as well. So a real good way to order your stuff. So I believe that's it. So thanks for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe, like, share it, comment below. Give me some feedback. Ask questions. I'll get back to them and answer them if I can. And that's it. So y'all have a great day and make it a great week. We'll talk to you again next time. Take care.